Learn Hindi frequency words: always, often, sometimes, rarely, no with
हमेशा,
and.
अक्सर.
Welcome to the frequency circus. Hey, you're in the right place if you want Hindi that actually sticks. Today, you'll learn how to say words like always, often, sometimes, and rarely without sounding like a confused parrot. Picture a tiny circus run by a very organized tea seller. He says, in this circus, I
हमेशा,
serve tea on time, I
अक्सर,
forget the sugar, I
कभी कभी,
dance with the kettle, and I
कभी कभार,
fall off my stool. Then his cat adds, and I say,
नहीं,
to all bath requests. By the end of this chapter, these words will feel like old friends, weird friends, but still friends. Your words for today. Let's meet the stars of the show one by one. Say them aloud with me, even if your neighbor now thinks you're training for a language Olympics. Always is.
हमेशा,
Example. I
हमेशा,
drink tea in the morning. No is.
नहीं,
Example.
नहीं,
I do not agree. Often is.
अक्सर,
Example. We
अक्सर,
eat together. Rarely is.
कभी कभार,
Example. I
कभी कभार,
drink coffee. Sometimes is.
कभी कभी,
Example. I
कभी कभी,
drink tea in the evening. Mostly is.
ज्यादातर,
Example. I
ज्यादातर,
drink tea in the morning. Frequent can also be expressed with
अक्सर,
in everyday Hindi. Frequent practice means you do it.
अक्सर,
Occasionally is also.
कभी कभी,
So if you occasionally visit your grandparents, you visit them.
कभी कभी,
A funny tea stall story. Now relax and listen to a short story. The more ridiculous it is, the easier it is to remember. Every morning, Ravi opens his tea stall and announces, I
हमेशा,
make the best chai in town. This is a bold claim, because Ravi also
अक्सर,
burns the toast and
कभी कभी,
forgets where he put the cups. His friend Meena visits.
अक्सर,
Because the gossip is free and the biscuits are cheap. A serious customer asks, do you ever serve coffee? Ravi looks shocked, as if asked to betray tea itself, and says,
नहीं,
well.
कभी कभार,
Quote. On rainy days, the stall is
ज्यादातर,
full, because everyone wants chai. A stray cat appears,
कभी कभी,
steals a snack, and leaves with the dignity of a king. Ravi says this cat is a frequent guest, so yes, the cat comes.
अक्सर,
But bathing the cat? The cat says.
नहीं, हमेशा,
Tiny dialogues you can steal. Let's make the words useful right away. Repeat the Hindi words after each mini-scene. A. Do you call your family every day? B. Yes.
हमेशा,
A. Do you want more chili in your tea? B.
नहीं,
Also, why is there chili in tea? A. Do you come here a lot? B. Yes.
अक्सर,
A. Do you eat sweets? B. Only.
कभी कभार,
My dentist is listening. A. Do you go there every day? B. No.
कभी कभी,
A. Are you at home on Sundays? B.
ज्यादातर,
Yes. A. Is your practice regular? B. Yes, it's quite frequent, so I practice.
अक्सर,
A. Do you cook fancy food daily? B. No, only.
कभी कभी,
Occasionally. Memory tricks that are slightly silly. Now let's glue these words to your brain with ridiculous images. Your brain loves nonsense more than it admits. 4.
हमेशा,
Imagine a giant clock shouting, always, 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 every hour. It never gets tired. Honestly, it should. 4.
नहीं,
Imagine a parrot that only knows one word.
नहीं,
Want a cracker?
नहीं,
Want a nap?
नहीं,
Exist peacefully? Also.
नहीं,
4.
अक्सर,
Imagine footprints on the same path again and again. That path is used often or frequently, so think.
अक्सर,
4.
कभी कभार,
Imagine a shy comet that appears once in a while. You see it and say, ah, rarely.
कभी कभार,
Quote. 4.
कभी कभी,
Imagine a doorbell that rings only now and then. Not always, not never, just sometimes.
कभी कभी,
4.
ज्यादातर,
Imagine a box of 100 marbles where most are blue. The blue marbles yell, we are.
ज्यादातर,
Which is dramatic for marbles, but helpful for you. Quick quiz, no panic. You're doing great. Let's test your ears and memory with a quick round. What is the Hindi word for always?
हमेशा,
How do you say no?
नहीं,
What is the Hindi word for often, and also for frequent in everyday use?
अक्सर,
How do you say rarely?
कभी कभार,
How do you say sometimes?
कभी कभी,
How do you say mostly?
ज्यादातर,
How do you say occasionally?
कभी कभी,
If someone comes here frequently, what everyday Hindi word fits well?
अक्सर,
Your challenge today. Time to use the words yourself. Don't worry about being perfect. Even Ravi's tea stall cat is judging less than you are. Say, I
हमेशा,
wake up early. Say,
नहीं,
I am busy. Say, I
अक्सर,
read at night. Say, I
कभी कभार,
drink coffee. Say, I
कभी कभी,
watch movies. Say, I
ज्यादातर,
work from home. Now say one sentence with a frequent habit using.
अक्सर,
Now say one sentence with an occasional habit using.
कभी कभी,
Friendly goodbye. Nice work today. You just learned a whole pocketful of Hindi frequency words, and your brain survived the tea stall circus. Thank you for listening and practicing with me. Keep repeating.
हमेशा, नहीं, अक्सर, कभी कभार, कभी कभी,
And.
ज्यादातर,
Out loud. Practice a little every day, smile at your mistakes, and come back soon for more Hindi. You've got this.